It's recording. Alright, there's a bird up on the wire. And there she comes down. She just swooped at him a little bit. Now there is her nest. Look, there it is. Oh, I don't know if I caught that or not. Make her do it again. That's the daddy. I don't know where he's at. The blue one's the daddy and the other one... Oh, she was getting ready to come. There she is. She's up on the wire again. There it is. She just swooped down. Oh, they're all going after him. Don't. I don't want her to grab it.
Come here. Right here.
Alright. Where are they at again? There she goes. There they both are. Oh, I got a good one that time. And there they both go. Now the daddy's in the tree somewhere. I'm actually getting really good shots of this. There it is. Oh, he come right by you. There they are. Oh, they're both going to attack him. Oh, they're both after you now. There it is.
Sissy.
There, you're making them upset. Hold on, don't... Oh! Hold on, I'm going to get a better shot. Alright, I want to catch him in the light. There's the dad on the tree right there. Here she comes. Whoa! There they go. There they go. Well, I would like to see what's in there. Oh, she really.
Alright, we're done.
But I can't. Are they in there, or are they in the actual house? Can you go peek?
No, because then you'll mess with them. Just leave them
Well, that was a birdhouse that my brother made. They must be up in the tree somewhere now.
They're getting tired.
Yeah. I don't. They're up in the tree. Can't you hear them?
Yeah, they getting. Now you can keep aggravating them. Come on.
All right. Well, there it is. You know, birds are protective.